I think that it is very well organized, you know, very well organized. Uh, Having the ability to do the breakdowns or just a lump sum, and kind of have the option also to bring line items and separate it into like phase one, phase two estimates for projects. That's very cool to have, because otherwise I have to do like a brand new estimate for when the customers come and say, I like the proposal, but I need to break it on phase one and phase two, and I want to
Exactly.
do phase one, this, and that. And then I got to do a whole new estimate, and it takes time.
Exactly.
That's what I'm trying to cut timing for doing all these estimates. So I want to have almost the ability to kind of create my estimates on the job site. Once everything is set up, that's what I'm looking for, and it seems like I can do that with this.